Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, corporate chef for the United Family. I'm here in my test kitchen to talk about how to buy a turkey. When buying a turkey, there's a lot of options out there, particularly reading the label. This particular turkey we have here is an organic turkey, which means it's fed organic grains and foods, and it's our O Organics brand. It's also free range, which means it's allowed to roam around and eat freely. There are several other varieties of turkeys out there, many being injected with a marinade solution. There's a lot of buzzwords out there, and one of the main buzzwords you see is hormone-free. The USDA actually prohibits the use of hormones in all turkeys. This particular turkey is not injected with a solution, so I would probably brine this turkey. What the injection does is add moisture to it while it cooks. The question that's been asked is, how much turkey do I actually need for my family or group that I'm serving? I typically go with 1 to 1.5 pounds of turkey per person. That includes the bones. Thanks for watching. For more holiday tips, check out our website.